Ilang sa higit sa dito.
Lang meron ta.
Frustrated, Zoltan decides to move on to the final scene. A bear fighting with wolves over a carcass.
Ito kaasahan mo.
Nga tabale.
Alin din.
Ne oh.
Sa pala si Alin din.
The next action, what we are going to do is actually insert scene
Kaya
in
kaka.
this movie that we are requested to do footage of. Namely, we are going to release 8 wolves, combination of 2 pairs, Rufus and Hogan, and then we are going to release Bruno as well, and then we're gonna have some meat in one piece that they have to share. In order to get
Daw
this
sa awansa.
done, we
Daw
need
sa
Rufus
awansa.
back to
Nani,
bring the
ni ko ito. Na ko
we
ito.
release the bear out to the field, and when they are out there, then we're gonna release the second pack, the Hogan pack, into the area. Releasing Rufus's pack first means that they will be focused on the carcass and not on Broomy or the other wolves when they arrive.
Betty, if the wolf wants to bite one of them, just don't let her do that. I'm gonna release the bear, you get it back.
Ano beto? Si Alcon sa Caldel dito.
Now we got the bear.
Si Alcon sa Caldel dito.
Just now. Wait. No.
Anda.
Mark, shoot that.
Anda.
Get the bear.
Sana Mimi. Ito na.
Brumy is a gentle bear, and Zoltan is
Nagtutupo.
careful with the wolves he shares his captivity with. Once it's clear that Broomy and Rufus' pack are focused on the carcass,